Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Himadri and today I have this gorgeous orangey autumn fall kind of a look for you. And hey, did you all notice this is a no eyeliner glam look? Yes. So without further ado, let me show you how I got this beautiful look. So first I'm using a primer by Lakme to block all the large pores on my face, which would give me a smooth base to apply my foundation. Next I'm using this foundation by Maybelline. Next I'm using concealer under my eyes and highlighting the inner part of my face. So after doing the concealer, I'll use some powder to set my under eyes and highlight a little part of my face. And meanwhile, if you think the powder on your face is scary, don't worry, you are on the right track. So making my brows now. As usual, I'm taking a mixture of brown and black eyeshadow to make my eyebrows. I'm using concealer on a flat brush to correct my eyebrows. This really helps to make my arch sharp and ends pointed. So I'll be using this palette by makeuprevolution. This is a pretty palette and it is the Reloaded Newtrals 2 number palette. This shade, brown color shade. A color defined eye crease is not only pretty but makes your eyes look bigger. So you can see I'm sweeping my brush mostly across my crease to get that attractive effect. And blend it with a fluffy brush. The secret to any beautiful eyeshadow look is blending the colors properly. If you want a smooth color transition on your eyelids, then just blend with your brush. Next, I'll use this orange color. Starting from the crease, most products, and then just blend it towards both sides. Then blending it. I'll use the same orange shade on the lower lash line. Then again blend the entire thing. I'll use this scarlet pink color on the center of my eye to give a pop to the entire eye look. Then using the same scarlet pink shade on the lower lash line, and this time with the smaller brush. Again, blend the entire thing wherever there are harsh lines with the brush. That's so important to give the gradient effect of the different colors. Then I'll use this color for my brow bone. I'll use this highlighter in this part of my eye. and a little on my brow bone as well. After I'm done with these eyeshadows, I'll dust off the powder that I have. For those of you who haven't seen my first video, I do this so that any kind of excess fallout that happens from the eyeshadow, I can just dust it off properly. Next, I'll be contouring my face. And just blending the entire contour. And then highlighting my cheekbones. Next, I'll curl my lashes and then coat my lashes with a mascara. So I'll be using a nude pink lipstick, and I know a lot of people do not get a very good shade of a nude lipstick on their lips because of the color they have. So it's always better to use a little of the foundation on your lips before you apply a nude lipstick. A little highlighter on my cupid's bow. Yeah, so with this my makeup is complete. This is by far one of my favorite looks because it is so stunning even without a winged liner. Hope you like this look too. If you do, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you want any kind of makeup help. I'll be so happy to help you. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.